Hi, it's Georgina from Designer Plants, and today I'm going to show you how you can attach your bespoke green wall from Designer Plants onto a variety of different surfaces. All of our Designer Plants bespoke range vertical garden panels are designed for super easy installation. That's why when you look on the back of the panel, you can see a sturdy metal grid that's very strong and designed for easy installation. Just use screws and washers, nylon plugs or hanging hooks. One of the easiest ways to install your vertical garden onto a render, brick or concrete wall is to use hanging hooks. With the hanging hooks, you first drill a hole into the wall and then, using the thread system of the hook, just turn and hook it into the wall. The next step is to install your green wall. Make sure that the top of your green wall lines up with the bottom of the next panel, or the side to ensure that it creates a nice clean finish. So I'll show you how to install your green wall. It's as easy as that. If you don't have access to hooks or you're attaching to a different surface, there are other alternatives available. For timber surfaces, you can use screws and washers, or for brick, render or concrete surfaces, you can use nylon plugs and washers. The best way of doing this is to pull the leaves back on the panel and push the screw or the nylon plug in where it needs to go. Exactly like this. Make sure that the washer covers the mesh so that it's held securely to the wall when you screw or hammer in your screw or your nylon plug. We typically recommend anywhere from 4 to 6 anchor points. If they're outside, you may need to use 6 to 8, but if they're indoors, 4 to 6 anchor points would be perfectly fine to secure your vertical garden. I hope that we've been able to help you answer some of your questions on how to install our bespoke range of green walls onto a variety of different surfaces. Remember, if you have any questions, we're available to help. Just visit our website at designerplants.com.au or give us a call on 1800 617 341 and our friendly team will be able to help.